Right now, 3 out of 4 businesses lose deals because the tools they use to quote, bill, and collect payments don't talk to each other, slowing down their entire deal and ultimately costing them the business. We're on the Fuze Elite HubSpot partners, and today we're putting over our decade of HubSpot expertise into showing you how to use HubSpot's new Revenue Hub. This masterclass will take you through the whole money journey, from quote to payment, analytics, and automation. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to replace your clunky billing system and collect money on autopilot. With that, let's jump in. Before we talk technical, you need to get familiar with the concept called quote to cash. Quote to cash is simply the path your money takes from the moment a customer says yes, all the way to the moment the cash lands in your bank account. And it's generally 5 steps. You send a quote, you sign a contract or agreement, you send a way to collect payment like a quote or an online card payment option or an invoice. They make the payment, then the deal goes to one, and later that deal comes up for renewal or continues through a subscription. But here's the problem. For most businesses, each step lives in a different tool, a separate quoting system, contract saves as PDFs, a payment processor over here, and a spreadsheet no one trusts over there. And if this is happening, you are losing money. HubSpot's State of B2B Revenue 2026 report proved this. They found 75% of businesses say their deals stall because quoting can't keep up. Think about what that means for your business. A prospect is ready to buy. You're making them wait then to buy from you, so they go to the competition. The same report found 76% of businesses miss renewals because revenue data lives outside their CRM, so they miss a client and they quietly churn. So that's the revenue leak. Next, let's look at the tool HubSpot built to fix this. But before we do, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our next HubSpot tips and tricks. So what is Revenue Hub? Revenue Hub is one place for your entire money journey. Quotes, contracts, invoices, payments, subscriptions, and renewals all living inside your CRM, seamlessly connected to your existing sales, marketing, and service tools, giving you one source of truth for absolutely everything. And if you've used HubSpot before, you might be thinking, wait, wasn't this called Commerce Hub? You are absolutely right. In June 2026, HubSpot evolved its old Commerce Hub into what's now called Revenue Hub. But this wasn't just a name change. It is absolutely indicative of HubSpot's shift from basic quoting to being able to handle the full revenue cycle for any business type. We're about to break down each feature and their use cases. So use the link in the description to grab our revenue leak scorecard, a 2-minute self-audit that shows you exactly where your business is losing revenue right now. It is 100% free, so make sure to grab it. And with that, let's dive in. Now, when Revenue Hub launched, HubSpot added a dedicated revenue menu to their main navigation, a home base for all your money, sitting right alongside your sales and marketing tools. And there are 8 items on it, so we're going to go through each one, see what they do, and then expand on each one of these as we advance through our whole masterclass series. 1 is Overview, the home screen for your entire hub. Up top, one-click shortcuts to the jobs you'll do the most. Create a quote, manage contracts, share payment links, or manage invoices. Below that, reporting and analytics for your quarter, and it shows 3 numbers: the value of quotes your team closed, your actual revenue, and your total payment volume. 2 is Analytics, the Revenue Analytics Suite, ready-made reports built on live data from your subscriptions and contracts. They're grouped by the questions founders lose sleep over, like who's late to pay, aging summary of your receivables, how your quotes and subscriptions are performing, and how recurring revenue moves month to month in the MRR waterfall. Third up is Quotes. This is the start of the money journey, a live, branded, signable quote you send to a customer. You build it from a deal in minutes. HubSpot pulls the customer and the line items straight from the deal record, so there's no retyping into a Word document. And for users on professional and enterprise tiers, this is where your CPQ lives. Now, a CPQ stands for Configure, Price, quote, which means HubSpot helps you assemble the correct product SKU with the relevant discounts, quantities, line items, and so on. The quote you send is a live page, which can also be downloaded as a PDF. 4, contracts. The biggest new thing in this latest release. Turn this on, and the moment a customer accepts a quote, HubSpot creates a contract, a living record, not just a static PDF that captures the product, pricing, term dates, and renewal date. From there, it is the single source of truth every invoice, payment, and renewal reads from. 5 is invoices. Once a contract is active, HubSpot generates and sends the invoices for you. On the schedule, the contract already set, or you can create one yourself, one time or recurring. Each invoice tracks its own status, open, paid, void, and its payment due in real time. 6 is payments, which is how you actually collect money. Customers can pay by card or direct bank transfer, and every payment lands here as a record. The amount, status, and when it'll hit your bank. The second payment is made, the matching invoice is automatically marked as paid, and the customer's record is updated. And this can even sync to your accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. 7th is subscriptions for revenue that repeats. Create a subscription and HubSpot bills the customer on the schedule you choose, which can be weekly, monthly, or yearly. Tracking each subscription status, the next billing date, and handling the follow-up if a card fails. And the 8th is payment links, a reusable checkout link you drop into an email, have on your website, or a text for quick payment. No quote, no back and forth, just send the link and they pay. Each link even tracks its own views and checkouts so you can see what's converted. And guys, that is the whole toolkit. So if you want an expert to handle the heavy lifting of setting up everything for you, or you just want someone to audit your account, we offer professional and enterprise users a free 30-minute consultation. Link in the description if you want to speak with us today. And for the final part of our video, we are answering the key question: which pricing tier of Revenue Hub do you need for your specific business needs? So let's dive in. Revenue Hub comes in 3 tiers. First up, the free tier covers up to 2 users. You can send basic invoices, create payment links, and run simple subscriptions. It's a fine ramp on if all you need today is to take a payment, but, and this matters, free does not include the contract object, AI-powered quoting, or the analytics reports. Next, professional, which is $85 per seat per month if billed annually, or $95 per seat per month for monthly billing. This is the tier most businesses need because it's where real quote-to-cash system switches on. The contract object, the AI-assisted quote builder, automatic taxes and sales, and full analytics suite. It includes 25 e-signatures per month with the ability to add more later. Then enterprise from $140 per seat per month. It has everything professional plus multi-step approval workflows for quotes, so a manager signs off before a big discount goes out, and it raises the e-signature limit you have to 50 per month per user. This is for larger teams that need more control over who can send what. So here's your honest rule of thumb. If you need just to take a payment here and there, free, we'll tick the box. But if you want a system like the one we're building across this entire masterclass series, including quotes, contracts, invoices, and renewals all working together, that starts at the professional level. And for most of you watching, professional is probably the best answer. You probably don't need enterprise, but again, check everything. So now you know what Revenue Hub does and how it helps your business. In our next video, we'll show you the how of how to set up these tools and the mistakes to avoid so you have the right foundation in place from day one. All right, guys, we'll see you there. Bye.